Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Musa Mseleku's family accuses him of ukuthwala. When it rains, it pours. And Musa can attest to this, as his life has been riddled with chaos. It appears his family has turned against him, to allege, and exposes his involvement in the ritual of ukuthwala.
Recently, the Mseleku family has made waves online, as viewers of the show conclude that there is a evident trouble in paradise between Musa and his own family, including his siblings. In a deleted post, Musa revealed all that he has done to financially assist his sister, Nompendulo. Musa's brother Spamandla Mseleku responded to the deleted post, where he revealed that the Mthombeni's supported Musa through his hardships, even when he had nothing. Furthermore, Spamandla alleged that certain members of the Mseleku family, including himself, had witnessed the businessman doing questionable practices, which are associated having a snake, which is a traditional practice of witchcraft and often involve blood sacrifice from the snake owner. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.